Biology Chapter 7 Evolution of Class 12. Evolution is an orderly change from one form to another. Evolutionary biology is the study of history of life forms on earth. Evolution is the changes in flora and fauna that have occurred over millions of years on earth. When we talk about origin of life and evolution of different life forms or biodiversity, we are apparently are peeping into the past. Origin of life. The origin of life is considered to be a unique event in the history of universe. The universe. The universe is about 20 billion years ago. It consists of huge cluster of galaxies which contain stars and clouds of gas and dust. The Big Bang theory explains that the universe arose from a huge explosion of unimaginable in physical terms. As the universe expanded, the temperature came down. Hydrogen and helium were formed sometimes later. The gases condense under gravitation and form the galaxies of the present day universe. The Earth. In the solar system of Milky Way galaxy, Earth was supposed to have been formed about 4.5 billion years back. Water vapor, methane, ammonia and carbon dioxide released from the molten mass and covered the Earth's surface. The ultraviolet rays from the sun broke up water into hydrogen and oxygen. The lighter hydrogen escaped while oxygen combined with ammonia and methane to form water, carbon dioxide and others. The ozone layer was also formed from oxygen. As the water vapor cooled, the water fell as rain and filled all the depression to form oceans. Life started appearing about 4 billion years back, that is about 500 million years after the formation of Earth. Theories of origin of life. Early Greek thinkers thought that units of life called spores were transferred to different planets including Earth. There are various theories based on it. Theory of abiogenesis, theory of biogenesis, theory of panspermia, theory of creationism, theory of chemical evolution. Theory of spontaneous generation. It is also known as the theory of abiogenesis. For a long time, it was believed that life came on out of decaying and rotting matter like straw, mud, etc. But Louis Pasteur dismissed the spontaneous generation theory and demonstrated that life comes only from pre-existing life. He showed that in pre-sterilized flask, life did not come from killed yeast, but in an open flask, life appears, that is microbes. Theory of biogenesis. It is proposed by Francisco Redi, Spallanzani and Louis Pasteur. It was proposed in 17th century. According to them, biogenesis means formation of new life from pre-existing organisms through reproduction. But it does not explain origin of first life. Theory of panspermia. It is also known as the cosmic theory. Some astronomers believe that panspermia came on the earth along with meteorites, which might have evolved into the present day forms. This theory is also known as the meteorite theory. This theory believes in cosmozoa as per it from life formation cosmos came from other planets. Theory of spatial creation. Christian Schutz believe that all elements were created within 6 days. It states that living and non living were created by some supernatural power, that is, God. Theory of chemical evolution. It is also known as the Oparin and Haldane theory. It was proposed by Oparin, a Russian, and Haldane, an English, that the first form of life could have come from pre-existing non-living organic molecule like RNA, proteins, etc. And that formation of life was preceded by chemical evolution, that is formation of diverse organic molecules from inorganic constituent. The conditions on Earth that favor chemical evolution were high temperature, volcanic storms, reducing atmosphere containing methane, ammonia, water, sugar, proteins, nucleic acid, etc. That is abiogenesis first, but biogenesis ever since. Experimental proof for chemical evolution of life. In 1953, Harold Urey and Stanley Miller, an American scientist, created conditions similar to the primitive Earth in the laboratory. They proved theory of chemical evolution. They created a condition like that of primitive Earth. They created electric discharge in a closed flask containing ammonia, hydrogen, methane, water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. The water containing chamber were heated to provide water vapor. They observed formation of amino acids, alanine, glycine and aspartic acid. In similar experiment, others observed formation of sugars, nitrogen base, pigments and fats. Analysis of meteorite content also revealed similar compounds, indicating the occurrence of similar processes elsewhere in the space. As a result, the chemical evolution of life was more or less accepted. Origin of first non-cellular and cellular form of life. The first non-cellular form of life could have originated 3 billion years back. They would have been giant molecules like RNA, proteins, polysaccharide, etc. These capsules, non-cellular forms, perhaps were able to replicate their molecules. The first cellular form of life probably originated about less than 2000 million years ago. These were probably single cell. All life forms appeared in water environment only. Once formed, these single cell must have evolved into complex biodiversity of today. Thank you.